India, 1974. Students in the state of Gujarat began a protest movement against inflation, governmental corruption, miseducation, and social injustice. By March, the Gujarat State Assembly was dissolved. The movement spread to the state of Bihar. Here, the students appealed to the 72-year-old Jayaprakash Narayan, known to the people as JP, to lead them. JP had been a renowned militant in the struggle against the British and had been imprisoned by them several times. A Marxist in his youth, he was later influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and after independence spent many years in the villages of India seeking in vain a viable method of voluntary land reform. In 1974, under JP's leadership, the Bihar movement acquired mass character, adopted the ideology of non-violence and decentralization, set up student and village struggle committees, and attempted to radicalize the social and cultural attitudes of the people. The following film, made under adverse political and financial circumstances, attempts to capture Bihar at its moment of awakening, after 27 years of floods, famine, and silence. The film is composed entirely of actual interviews, speeches, and songs. Nothing has been reenacted. The songs were sung and in some cases composed by the revolutionary students of Bihar. By March 1975, where the film ends, the movement had entered its second year.
हम लोग आप लोग के साथ ही नहीं देंगे तो कुछ क्यों देंगे? अब ये सोचिए ना कि 100 में 5 आदमी अगर वाला.
This is the voice of a cycle rickshaw puller from Bihar. 95% of the people are poor like us.
कोई ठेला वाला है, कोई टैक्सी चलाता है, कोई कुछ करता है कि नहीं? हाँ, हम लोग के कैसे चलेगा? हम लोग के तो सो के टटा के मरना ही है. हम लोग क्या करें? मन से हम लोग का हंसी मुंह से नहीं निकलता है बाबू. ये सोचिएगा भात भाई रोटी यहाँ पर.
Things are so bad now. We can't even laugh anymore.
मगर बाल बच्चा के देहात में हमारा क्या गुजर क्या बीतता है?
We earn a few rupees and survive. But what of our children in the villages? Only God looks after them. The film posters say, remove poverty, food, clothing, shelter. Our stomachs are empty, so we're ready to fight. This is JP's voice. He's seen here crossing a river in Bihar. I was searching in the dark as to how the people would begin their struggle. The students started their anti-corruption movement in Gujarat and showed me the way. They were the vanguard. I could see the waves of revolution rising, and I was standing on the banks. I recalled a poem. How can I afford to stand on the banks when the waves of revolution call out to me?
लेकिन एक समय ऐसा आया कि मैं कूद गया और पटने में मैंने ऐलान किया कि ठीक है.
I decided that sink or swim, I would plunge into the waves of revolution.
उस क्रांति के तरंगों में मैं कूद पड़ा.
The song says, who will come forth today to fight against corruption and to face the repression of the ruling class? The following section is a month-by-month newspaper and poster account of the movement. The black frames show the various months from March 74 to March 75. The song is saying, have mountain cliffs ever stopped the onslaught of storms? And can guns succeed in stopping the onward march of the youth? The refrain of the song says, "O youth, the revolution has come to your door to paint your forehead with vermilion." We must not waver from our path. Bullets hit the chest, but no cry must be uttered. It is martyrs like these who have protected the honor of our land. The revolution has come to your door to paint your forehead with vermilion. In 100,000 villages, sorrow casts its shadow. But in the houses of the rich and the government class, the full moon is smiling. We have vowed not to let this continue. At the call given by Jayaprakash, the youth has awakened. The youth has awakened. Long live Jayaprakash. Long live the revolution. No matter how we are attacked, we will never retaliate in violence. We will test the repression of the ruling class. This is an All India Radio news broadcast of November the 4th, 1974. It describes the demonstration pictured here. Today, JP attempted to hold a rally to demand the dissolution of the Bihar ministry. But owing to preventive measures taken by the police, the proposed demonstration and march proved to be a failure. Question: do you feel the November 4 rally succeeded? Yes. The very massive presence of the police and the military proves the success of our demonstration.
आने से रोकने के लिए शायद किसी लोकतांत्रिक देश में इतिहास में ऐसा नहीं हुआ होगा कभी. अपने आप में ये आंदोलन की सफलता है.
They took such steps to prevent people from joining our march. But despite all this, more than 100,000 people came.
अपने शहर में जहाँ तहाँ रोका गया. कुछ लोगों का ख्याल है कि उससे भी ज़्यादा लोग आए.
And because all public transport had been stopped, they used ingenious means to get here, building rafts to cross the river and so on. A villager describes how he came to the November 4 demonstration. We were in a boat when a police launch came and stopped us at gunpoint. We asked, are we dacoits or robbers? Why do you stop us? He said, where are you going? We said, to Patna to demonstrate. He ordered us to get to the shore. Finally, we agreed, and then we walked 20 miles to Patna on foot.
फ्लड में आप जानते होंगे कि बाढ़ के दिन में जब आप आएंगे, जब फ्लड आता है उस टाइम में आप आएंगे तो एक गांव से
If you come here during the floods, you cannot go from one village to another. We can't afford boats, so people just die unaided.
बांध भी बनता है तो बांध कितने दिनों से शुरू हुआ है, लेकिन अभी आप बांध पर जाएंगे तो काम
They started to build a dam here, but the engineers and the overseers are so corrupt. They just eat and drink and make merry. The dam remains incomplete.
आपके लिए करोड़ों नहीं,
This is JP's voice.
करोड़ रुपए खर्च
If the millions spent in the name of the people had been honestly utilized, there could not have been so much poverty in Bihar.
सूखा हो जाए,
A single year of famine could not cause such havoc.
कितने ट्यूबवेल बन जाते,
Tube wells, canals, dams would have been built. People would have employment.
प्रसार हो जाता,
But the money was not spent honestly.
नहीं हुआ।
So the youth took up their cry.
इसलिए हम इनकी तारीफ करते हैं। लोग
People
कहते
say
हैं,
JP is leading the youth astray by asking them to give up their studies for the movement.
आप जो अभिभावक हैं, 27 बरस तक तो आप
You who are guardians and parents, for 27 years, have you not suffered from inflation, corruption and unemployment?
शिक्षा आप देते रहे अपने बेटों को, जो पढ़ लिख करके नौकरी नहीं मिली तो आपके ऊपर भार बन के बैठे हैं।
Did you do anything about it? Do you want 27 years more of the same?
और इसी चक्की में पिसते रहे।
Your children are fighting your battle. Do you want to hold them back?
शुरू किया तो आप उनकी टांग को खींचते हैं कि कॉलेज जाओ।
Do you think their colleges could teach them what the movement
इस
can?
आंदोलन में आकर के जो इनकी पढ़ाई होगी, जो उनका अनुभव होगा, वो कभी वहाँ मिलेगा उनको।
This is a classroom organized by the movement.
संविधान की जो कल्पना की थी, उस
The subject is village government and people's rule.
गांव जो है सबसे मुख्य है।
In Gandhi's scheme of things, the village was the most important social and political unit, and the center was merely a coordinating body.
ऊपर ऊपर उठते हैं, सत्ता कम होती जाती है और केंद्र तक पहुंचते पहुंचते सत्ता इतनी कम हो जाती है कि केंद्र केवल एक कोऑर्डिनेशन का काम करता है। अब मैं आपसे दो बातें और कहना चाहता हूं 10 मिनट में। वो बात ये माओ के बारे में। माओ
Let us now talk of Mao.
छोड़ दीजिए कुछ बातें माओ की, लेकिन मैंने आपसे दिन कहा था कि हम गांधीवादी
Remember
नहीं हैं, हम माओवादी
that
नहीं
we are
हैं,
not
हम
Gandhians
नहीं हैं, हम मार्क्सवादी नहीं हैं,
or
ये
Marxists
कहिए कि हमको जो हमारे
or
काम का
Maoists
माओ से मिलेगा,
or
उसको भी
Leninists.
लेंगे, जो गांधी से मिलेगा उसको भी लेंगे,
But we will
जो लेनिन
take
से मिलेगा, उसको
whatever
भी
is
लेंगे,
relevant
मिलेगा।
to our
जहाँ
revolution
हमारी क्रांति
from
लायक
each of these
मिलेगा,
great revolutionaries.
तरुआ आंदोलन के समर्थन करते नहीं, जयप्रकाश जी जे आंदोलन करता रहे, एकरा समर्थन
Do you support the movement?
जहाँ
Yes, I will stand by it through fire or water.
बूढ़ो बानी तो हम तैयार हैं।
तो इस सरकार को कैसे गिराएंगे?
How will you topple this government? By not obeying their orders.
कौन कानून लगाई है, वो कानून को उनका हम मनबे ना कर।
अपना नया कानून बनाए।
जी हाँ,
We'll make our own laws, our own police stations, our own judges, our own collectors. We'll do everything ourselves.
जैसे जैसे गांव में आंदोलन जा रहा है तो किसानों के प्रश्न हम ले रहे हैं।
This is JP addressing a village rally.
न उनको खाद वक्त
As the movement spreads to the villages, the struggle committees must deal with problems like seeds and fertilizers for farmers and unions for agricultural labor.
को लेकर के आगे चले तो सामाजिक, आर्थिक,
Social, economic, political, educational and cultural problems must be tackled.
इसलिए हमने इसका नाम संपूर्ण क्रांति।
That is why we call this a total revolution.
हमारे तो पोते हैं, मान लीजिए कि शादी इनकी हो।
There are eligible boys in this audience.
तो वो कहता है,
Before the movement began, their fathers would demand huge dowries in cash or a car
नीचे तबके का हो तो कहेगा कि हमको मोटरसाइकिल
or a motorcycle or something.
मैंने पूछा है कि बाबा तुम
Now I ask you,
शादी करोगे?
do you want to marry the girl or a motorcycle?
शादी करोगे, क्या चाहते हो तुम? अब तुम इनकलाब जिंदाबाद बोल
Today
रहे
you
हो।
shout revolution, and tomorrow, after the movement ends, if your fathers demand dowries for you, will you accept?
10,000 रुपया दो, तिलक दो, इतना दहेज दो तो शादी होगी, तो तुम क्या कहोगे? तिलक मांगोगे? बोलो।
Speak up.
नहीं, थोड़ा
No.
धीमी आवाज है।
Your voices are soft. No.
अच्छा, ठीक है। परीक्षा
All
तुम्हारी भी हो
right.
जाएगी।
We shall
अब
see
ये
when the
सब
time
कौन
comes.
जानती है?
This is
अब इस
total
समाज में
revolution.
ब्राह्मण देवता लोग बैठे
There are
हैं।
Brahmins here
यज्ञोपवीत
who
पहनते
wear
कि हम
caste
सबसे
threads,
ऊपर हैं, और ये हर जगह
and there are
है।
others who are considered
तुम
untouchables.
भगवान की संतान
The
हो,
Brahmins may rob,
ब्राह्मण के घर में
but still
पैदा
you
हुआ,
fall at his feet.
चोरी करेगा, डकैती करेगा, फिर भी बाबा जी पाव लागी। बाबा
This
जी कहाँ?
society must change.
अब ये सारा समाज रहेगा।
We must carry out a movement to break our caste threads. We are all equal.
जाति भेद नहीं रहेगा इस देश में।
नए सरकार में
Under the people's government, what happens to dowry and caste? We are breaking these traditions. We all took dowries before. If we all stop together, no one will lose.
और कोई लेगा तो क्या करेंगे?
If anyone refuses, we will beg them not to ruin our community by selling their children. The richer people who refuse this change will be boycotted. What about the caste system? If an untouchable comes, will you let him sit on this cot?
हमारा आएगा तो उसको बैठाएंगे।
Yes, of course. He'll be sitting on my cot, won't he? He won't be sitting on my head.
औरतों को एक-एक घर में हम लोगों ने समझा दिया। धर्म के विषय में भी हम लोगों ने औरतों को जाकर सिखाया। जैसे अनंत
In this village, we are teaching the women that all these religious festivals that they used to observe, Diwali, Ram Navami, Chhat,
तो रामनवमी है, तो जो
and others,
है, तो कृष्णाष्टमी है, ये हजारों दिन भर पर्व
these serve only the merchant classes who get to sell their sugar and cooking fat.
इसलिए धर्म में भी हम लोग को ये कुछ नहीं करना।
So we've decided that our religion should consist of an early morning prayer and cleaning the village and working hard and giving a tenth of our earnings for the village development fund.
के विषय में अपना काम ऐसा करो, वही धर्म है, जिससे कि 2 पैसा तक हम लोग अभी रखे हैं कि 10वीं हिस्सा जो कमाएंगे उसको गांव सरकार को
जो गांव में पर्दा
Has the practice of veiling faces been abandoned here?
खत्म हो गए।
Yes, we aren't shy anymore.
अब केहू से केहू लजाई ना, केहू से केहू शर्माई ना।
How did this happen?
तो का खाई
We had to work. We had to go out and work. What could we eat otherwise? Mud?
माटी।
Graffiti. Long live the movement. Join the 4th November march. The song is saying, we are so mad that we will not stop until we have changed the world.
आज जो opposition पार्टियां आपका
Aren't some of the opposition parties which support you as corrupt as the ruling party?
जो आज सत्ता का मुंह काला कर चुकी है?
Yes, this is true.
वो भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। जनता में जो जागृति पैदा हुई है वो कांग्रेस की सत्ता बने या विरोधी
But the main point is that through the movement, the people have
हमारा
awakened.
भरोसा है कि जागृत लोग हैं और ये समितियां जो छात्र और जनसंघर्ष बन रही हैं नीचे तक जाएं, गांव तक जाएं।
No
तो ये
government
उनके ऊपर
can now get away
कुछ
with the
रखेंगे,
same
ऐसा
corruption
मेरा
as
ख्याल
existed
है।
before.
और ये संभव नहीं होगा आप चाहे
The people will not let them.
उसी प्रकार से
Student and village struggle committees will act as a Mahout's knife to control the elephant of government.
और चुनाव होंगे तो हर उम्मीदवार के लिए क्या-क्या आपको हम पूछवाएंगे उन लोगों से।
When the elections come, prospective candidates will be asked not only to declare their assets, but will be screened for excess land ownership, dispossessing others of land, and other such illegalities.
और उस चीज को हम ध्यान में बराबर रखेंगे।
मैंने बार बार ये बात कही कि ये जो प्रतिनिधि मंडल हुआ संघर्ष समितियों का,
Another village rally. The struggle committees which have been formed to oversee elections will not be dissolved once the elections are over.
वो देखेगा कि जिसको हमने एमएलए बनाकर भेजा
They will stay to see that the person who has been elected to represent the people does not forget the people who elected him.
और हमको वो भूल गए और वहाँ अपनी जेबें भरनी शुरू की उन्होंने। उनके ऊपर वॉच डॉग का काम।
They will act as watchdogs of the people and check whether elected representatives start becoming corrupt once in power.
कि जिसको हमने भेजा वो तो दल बदल कर रहा है, रुपया कमा रहा है और कुछ कर रहा है, उनको चेतावनी देंगे कि तुम गलत रास्ते पर
If they do become corrupt, they will be issued a warning.
उनका रास्ता नहीं
And if the warning is not heeded, the person will be forced to step down.
उनके निवास पर जाकर पकड़ के लाएंगे। हर बार विधानसभा के भंग का नारा नहीं लगाएंगे।
Entire assemblies cannot be dissolved each time, but any individual who betrays the people has no right to rule them.
नहीं है तो आज के इस लोकतंत्र में
In the so-called democracy we have today, the people have no control over their representatives.
चुन के गया है दिल्ली या पटना उस पर जनता
The poster on this elephant says Bihar government. The poster on the mahout says the people.
कांग्रेस का हो कि जनसंघ का हो
Party high commands will not decide whom to give election tickets to. The people will nominate their own candidates to stand for elections.
भेजा है वो पार्टी का आदमी हो सकता है अगर जनता ने उसी को पसंद किया है तो
And over the heads of elected representatives, in the form of the struggle committees, will hang the sword of the people.
इस रूप में प्रतिनिधि मंडल के रूप में
The song says, O youth, the burden of the world is upon your shoulders. Its happiness rests on you. Today, the ocean sings of your strength. And the four corners of the earth beckon you. To protect the earth from doom, you have spread yourselves across the skies. The flowers reflect your color, and you are the spring. O youth, the burden of the world is upon your shoulders.
ये मालगुजारी जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा है यहाँ। जो जोतते हैं
Absentee
खेत,
landlordism
वो
is
खेत नहीं
rampant
है।
here.
अब जिनके पास में खेत है,
Those who
वो
own the
नहीं
land
वो खुद
don't
हल
do
नहीं
the
चला
work,
सकते हैं, वो घाम
and
में
those
नहीं
who
कर
do the
सकते
work
हैं।
don't
हम लोग
own the
करने
land.
वाले हैं, सब कुछ उनके यहाँ नौकर हम हैं।
It is
उनके
we
यहाँ
who are the
जितना काम हम
servants, the
करते हैं, उनका
herdsmen,
बैल हम
the
खिलाते हैं,
tillers,
उनका टायर हम
we
हाँकते
who
हैं,
sweat.
उनका सब जितना काम है वो तो हम करते हैं।
So
तो
if
खुद
need
हम ही
be,
सब काम
we
करते
can
हैं,
stop
तो हम लोग मदद
cooperating.
करते हैं उनसे। हर
They
तरह
have
से
grown
लोग
rich by exploiting us.
शोषण कर करके बहुत बड़े-बड़े बन गए हैं। इसका से जनता सरकार क्या करेगी?
What
हम
is
लोग
your
एक-एक
new
आदमी का
people's
भागीदारी
government
करेंगे,
doing
तो
about this?
इनका जो है ना एक-एक घर में राशन कार्ड
We are
6-6, 8-8
conducting our
बने
own
हुए हैं।
surveys,
और अपना जो
people
है,
with excess
कई
land
परिवार हैं, उसके नाम
and
नाम
ration
लिख करके
cards and
हम
several
फील्ड
false
डायरेक्ट
names
काम करता है।
are all being
इस तरह से हम
exposed.
सोचते हैं कि इनका सब धंधा फोड़ करेंगे। पहले तो हम लोगों को कुचल देते थे ये लोग एक-एक करके।
They
एक
used to
करके
crush
हम
us
लोग
one by
बने
one,
नहीं थे। लेकिन अब
but
हम लोग
now
उम्मीद
we are
करते हैं
united
कि हम
and
लोग
we
का
will
देश
fight.
चलाएंगे तो सब भंडा फोड़ करेंगे और उसका सामना करेंगे। संघर्ष से ये सब काम हम लोग शुरू करते हैं।
तू है बेपरवाह लेकिन जिम्मेदारी
O youth, you are carefree, but the responsibility you bear is great. Graffiti. Give us bread, not bullets.
तू नहीं तो जिंदगी का बंद हर बाजार है नौजवानों
चाहे हमला पुलिस का हो सीआरपी
Wherever the attack comes from,
चाहे हमला
whether it comes from the police, the military, or from our political opponents, remember never to retaliate in violence.
नहीं उठेगा इसका ध्यान रखो
End corruption for a new Bihar. Long live Jaiprakash.
मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ आप में जितने ऐसे भाई बहन यहाँ बैठे हैं जो ये चाहते
I
हैं
ask you,
कि बिहार
those of you
विधानमंडल
here who
इस्तीफा
want the
दे दे,
Bihar ministry to resign,
विधानसभा भंग हो जाए, वो अपना
raise your hands.
अच्छी बात, हाथ गिरा दीजिए।
You may drop them now.
शांति शांति।
तूफानों की ओर घुमा दो नाविक निज पतवार हैया होरी हो
O boatman, turn your boat towards the storm.
हैया होरी हो यह सीम निज सीमा जाने आज सागर भी तो यह पहचान
Let the deep waters recognize that man, though he is made of clay, has never accepted defeat.
कभी न मानी हार कभी न मानी हार कभी न मानी हार तूफानों की
Waves of revolution.
घुमा दो नाविक निज
O boatman, turn your boat towards the storm.
होरी हो हैया होरी हो हैया होरी
Produced and directed by Anand Patwardhan. Thanks to the revolutionary people of India.
On the 26th of June 1975, a state of emergency was proclaimed in India. Jaiprakash Narayan, together with thousands of other Indian citizens, was arrested. Censorship of the press was introduced for the first time since independence. Today, an estimated 55 to 100,000 people are in prison, including many of the people viewed in this film. Daily arrests continue to take place under the Maintenance of Internal Security Act. The movement pushed underground has entered a new phase.